Hi, this is Andrea Getz of the TMC Newsroom. According to several reports, at least one of the people involved with the recent iPad and AT&T security breach has been arrested. Andrew Arnheimer, a 24-year-old Arkansas resident, was arrested when police acting on an FBI search warrant found cocaine, ecstasy, LSD, and unnamed Schedule II and III pharmaceuticals in his home. Andrew sent Gawker a list of over 100,000 email addresses of iPad 3G customers. The list included numerous high-profile professionals such as Diane Sawyer of ABC News. Andrew is currently awaiting his trial for hacking. When a crisis or emergency erupts, the power of social media can be an amazing tool for businesses. So here are some helpful hints. Because social media is public, it is your company's job to turn around any negative comments. So you need to monitor your business by responding to tweets, mentions, and comments. It is also smart to suggest that customers contact you privately for more in-depth discussions. So make sure that a customer always has an option to message you privately. Remember that social media is all about customer service, so above all, do your best to leave good impressions upon anyone that you can. As we know, social media is huge. According to a new report, 22% of time spent on the internet is spent on social networks, and 3/4 of internet users worldwide visit a social network when they go online. Visits to social media websites have increased 66% in the last year alone. In fact, Facebook has begun to surpass Google in terms of internet traffic, while YouTube has surpassed 2 billion views in a single day. Brazil has the largest percentage of users on social networks at 86%. Australians spend the most time on social networks, averaging at 7 hours a day. So social media is a worldwide sensation. That's all for today. For all the latest news from the communications world, visit www.tmcnet.com. I'm Andrea Getz with the TMC Newsroom, and thanks for watching.